रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं,
Spotlight,
नाम
spotlight,
है शहंशाह।
spotlight, spotlight.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर
In
एक
the
गिला।
Okay, fine.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू इन द स्पॉटलाइट विद टीएनजी। आज की स्पॉटलाइट है एक पावर पैक कपल जिन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है लाइफ में, और एक ऐसी जोड़ी जिन्होंने ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करते करते भी स्माइलिंगली अपनी लाइफ बिताई है और उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करेंगे हमारे साथ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगा शेल्टन जी से। शेल्टन जी ने बीए इन परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स किया है, साइकोलॉजी एंड इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, मतलब ये उनकी डिग्री है, बहुत बड़ी है, की है जो भी है तो। और ये है एक एक्टिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर जो 7 साल से एक्टिंग सिखाते हैं लोगों को। इसके अलावा इन्होंने 15 से ज्यादा प्रोडक्शंस में काम किया है, जिनमें से उन्होंने 12 में एक्टिंग की है और 7 में खुद डायरेक्टर थे। अब हम सारा जी के पास जाते हैं। सारा जी ने डिप्लोमा इन ट्राइकोलॉजी, कॉस्मेटोलॉजी और नेचुरोपैथी, ये क्या होता है ये आपको बताएंगे, मुझे भी नहीं पता। और इन्होंने 7 प्रोडक्शंस, खुद के प्रोडक्शंस हैं थिएटर में, और जहाँ पे वो खुद राइटर भी थे और डायरेक्टर भी थे। शायद एक्टिंग भी करते होंगे, वो उनसे ही हम जानेंगे। और ये जो किया था काम, उसके बारे में सारा मैम खुद बताएंगे। और प्लीज वो डिग्री के बारे में बता दीजिएगा हम लोग।
हाँ जी, तो मैंने अपना डिप्लोमा किया है ट्रिकोलॉजी में, कॉस्मेटोलॉजी में और नेचुरोपैथी में। कॉस्मेटोलॉजी और ट्रिकोलॉजी स्किन और हेयर साइंस है, where you study the skin, study the hair and the scalp. Naturopathy is basically alternative medicine, where you cure every problem through natural means. So that is naturopathy. And about the productions, the production that we have done together are Manson Helter Skelter, One Moon Ago, Rona, and Best Worst Family. I think this would be our highlights.
Yeah.
And one for you would be like
Leviathan.
Yeah.
Apart from all of it.
सही। सो ये हम लोग कभी देखेंगे पता नहीं, बट हम देखना चाहते हैं। बैंगलोर में ये करते हैं ये चीज। वहाँ पे कौन सा थिएटर है बेसिकली, आप कहाँ करते हो नॉर्मली?
हमारे वेन्यूज चेंज होते रहते हैं। हम कभी कभी अलियंस फ्रांस से बैंगलोर वहाँ पे करते हैं, फिर रंगस्थला करके एक ऑडिटोरियम है, वहाँ पे शोज रखते हैं। तो मोस्टली ये 2 वेन्यूज के बीच ही होता है हमारा शो।
तो बैंगलोर में जो रहते हैं उनके लिए पता है कहाँ जाना है, थिएटर किसके देखने हैं और क्या प्लेस, को भी इंटरेस्ट है कहाँ जाना है, ठीक है। अब जो कि ये सवाल मुझे पहले पूछना चाहिए था, फिर भी मैं अभी पूछ लेता हूँ। हाउ आर यू डूइंग गाइस?
Oh, very good, very good.
Very nice. Thank you for asking.
So now getting back to the questions, हम लोग काफी टाइम से सोच रहे थे कि ये फील्ड जो थिएटर, जैसे कि आपका डिग्री कॉस्मेटोलॉजी आपने बताया और सर का जो आर्ट्स वाला था, उनका तो चलो आर्ट्स पहले से ही था, बट हाउ डिड यू गाइस गेट इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड ऑफ थिएटर? तो पहले सर आप बताइए, देन मैम प्लीज यू आंसर।
For me there was always an interest. बचपन से एक मतलब initially it was dance, मतलब डांस करना था मुझे। I wanted to become a dancer. और वहाँ से फिर शिफ्ट हुआ एंड when I joined the course, वहाँ पे परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में 3 मेजर्स थे। एक था डांस, म्यूजिक और थिएटर। तो मैंने इनिशियली ज्वाइन किया था डांस में, और मैं डांसर बनना चाहता था,
लेकिन बहुत भरतनाट्यम हो गया।
बट वहाँ पे सिर्फ भरतनाट्यम सिखा रहे हैं। तो भरतनाट्यम मैं हिल नहीं पा रहा हूँ भरतनाट्यम में। ये सब नहीं हो पा रहा था मुझसे। तो मैं बोला नहीं, मेरे से ये नहीं होगा। तो देन आई मेड अ स्विच टू थिएटर, और वहाँ से लर्निंग अबाउट ड्रामा एंड थिएटर केम इन, और वहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ मेरा जर्नी। देन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अबाउट इट, स्टार्टेड गेटिंग डीपर इनटू द आर्ट फॉर्म, द क्राफ्ट ऑफ इट। दैट इज व्हेन आई वहाँ से इंटरेस्ट बढ़ी, वहाँ से फिर शोज करना स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड देन द रेस्ट।
व्हाट वाज द एज व्हेन यू न्यू दैट बॉस अब मुझे यही करना, मतलब बस यही है मेरा फ्यूचर?
It would have been जब मैं 18 साल का था, 18.
So at 18 you were sure that what I want to do.
Yeah. I wanted to do something in this field itself.
So this was a very good insight about how you got into this. Now Sarah, what about you?
Mine was a long journey. Okay, so I joined Christ, which was the same college as Shaltons, and my course was completely different. My course was journalism, and I think by the 3rd class of journalism, I had decided to drop out because I said मेरे से होता नहीं है कि sit between 4 walls and learn something. I don't think that's the best way to learn anything or experience anything. So I had decided to leave. I dropped out in the 3rd month of my college, and but I had made a lot of friends in the performing arts section. Shalton, Sana, and a lot of other people. So whatever I have learned in terms of this field has been through observation. Because these guys, I was Vela once I dropped out. So these guys used to call me to college anyway, and they used to say, "Come sit in our class." So I used to sit in their class, and मुझे वहाँ पे free का education मिल गया performing arts का, क्योंकि attendance में मेरा नाम अभी तक था.
But how was this? मतलब ये कैसे हुआ? ये मतलब normally you were not.
Weird because they didn't remove my name from the.
So what
list.
happens was journalism और performing arts के जो classes होते हैं वो combined classes
class.
होते हैं.
अच्छा.
So जहाँ पे भी तो इनका नाम तभी भी था, उन्होंने निकाला नहीं था. तो क्या होता था कि कभी-कभी क्लास में ये भी आ जाता. और इनको बुला देते थे कि अभी भी मतलब अटेंडेंस में इनका नाम बुलाते, सारा करके बुलाते और लाइक
प्रेजेंट
इनका नाम नहीं आता तो ये आ जाती थी, लाइक अभी भी तुम्हारा नाम बुला रहे, आ जाओ.
तो जर्नलिज्म और इसका अलग-अलग क्लास भी तो होता होगा ना कि
so there was one change in class which was I think journalism and performing arts was when the class was separate. So I used to go to class, I used to go to the performing arts class. वहाँ पे मैंने backstage, first I started with backstage because they needed extra helping hands. उसके बाद I started obviously observing what is being taught, how they acted, the plays they did. I watched one play that these guys did in college 9 times. मुझे by heart हो गया at the end of it. And then I was always into writing. Writing is my forte. That is what I like to do. So Manson, which is the play that we did, I wrote it. When I wrote it, I wanted somebody to direct it. And I knew I wanted Shalton to act in it. So once Shalton read it, he said, "Why don't you direct?" So I said, "Okay, let me give it a shot." So that was the first play I directed, and uske baad there was no looking back. I knew that I loved the combination of writing and then directing and watching a vision come to reality. So that is my journey.
So, but this is your start. How was your professional start?
My professional start was जब even though college में we used to learn about theatre, that wasn't enough for me. That was very limited knowledge coming towards me. So I realized that and I started taking workshops outside of college. तो college hours के बाद मैं एक जगह है, it's called Center Stage, and they used to run acting classes there. And I told Sara ma'am also कि मतलब चलो let's go, you know. And so we both and another friend of ours, we used to go to Center Stage and learn acting. और वहाँ पे they taught us about how to get into the root of your character. ठीक है? It was set apart from the Indian form of theatre जो हमें colleges में सिखाए जाते हैं, जो नवरसा and जो भी मतलब जो conventional way of teaching theatre.
Basically, this was an acting school. That's what you're telling me.
Correct. It was an acting
This is
school.
a specific
acting school.
Is there a difference between theatre acting school and a normal acting school which is for the screen? ऐसा कुछ होता है कि it is the same?
नहीं.
No, generally there isn't. I mean, the basics of acting should be the same. But if you're a fly on the wall during a course where they are teaching you screen acting, they are concentrating on very different things. But the actor who is doing screen acting could be a theatre actor also. And it's always better if you have some sort of background in theatre. Because that is, I feel, the truest form of acting. Screen में तो ऐसे cut बुला देते हैं, फिर से करो, that is there.
Yeah.
You don't have that in theatre.
So I wanted to ask, for example, if a person decides that he wants to get into this theatre field, or he wants to start acting, theatre से start करना, so now he doesn't have an experience of theatre school या फिर school proper education. So how can anybody get into this theatre group without having studied this particular field? As in, how?
Honestly, मुझे लगता है it is very possible. In this age, जहाँ पे किताबें हैं, जहाँ पे there's YouTube. there's internet, everything is at your disposal.
So they learn, that is fine. I'm just asking, for example, I have learned, I know acting, what is acting, but अभी मुझे कोई theatre group को join करना है, तो मुझे क्यों ले? मतलब how will I approach a theatre group? How to start? How to make a base of it? Because तुमने अकेले सीखा है, right? So आप कैसे
Right.
start करोगे? That is the question what I have been thinking about for people who are actually aspiring actors.
Right. So the thing about that is theatre groups usually यहाँ पे I'm talking about the experience from what I know. यहाँ पे you have to just approach them. ठीक है? You approach like अगली production में please यार think of me, count me in. ठीक है?
So it's
So-
when you approach a theatre group, they are not always going to be like, "हाँ, come be an actor with us."
हाँ,
Okay? They might say, "Okay, we need some backstage work,"
correct.
like what happened with me. Okay, we need one spot guy.
हाँ,
We need
Somebody
someone for
to-
lights.
do sound या lights या
So that is your
ticket
door
counter
in.
पे खड़े रहो या कुछ भी.
So basically समझो कोई स्ट्रेंजर आ गया जिसका आपके साथ कोई लेन देन नहीं है थिएटर ग्रुप के साथ, वो आके आपको समझो आपका अभी आज शो हो गया, ठीक है, अभी स्ट्रेंजर ही गेट्स इंस्पायर्ड कि यार मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, ठीक है, एंड मे बी इज टैलेंटेड, समझो अज्यूम करते हैं इज अ टैलेंटेड एक्टर, नाउ ही अप्रोचेस यू डायरेक्टली, सर आई लव योर एक्टिंग एंड आई रियली वांट टू गेट इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस एक्टिंग ग्रुप, मुझे प्लीज एक्टिंग ग्रुप में इन्वॉल्व होना है, तो ये बात करने के लिए मौका मिलेगा क्या उसको?
जरूर मिलेगा, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? क्योंकि even if you, that's what I said, you just need to go approach कि मतलब मेरे को next project
ये
में
interest है मेरा.
interest है, I want to be a part of it, and they will definitely like.
That is after your play, we can the aspirant can directly ask Bindas without fear. He should ask. He or she should ask. कि
Yeah.
बहुत मुझे करना है,
हाँ,
please करने दो. Something
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
हाँ,
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, after every play, we give out our official email ID saying that please get in
Reach
touch
out.
with us if you're interested.
That is your pattern और सब लोग follow करते हैं.
so that is our pattern. Our
Our
pattern is
pattern.
कि if you want to have a conversation about what you just saw, या आपको मतलब questions है या कुछ भी है, okay, please reach out to us. We will have a conversation about it.
And this is amazing because I recently watched a play in Prithvi Theatre.
Right.
Mohan Masala. Mohan Masala was the name of the
Okay.
show. Pratik Gandhi did it.
अच्छा.
And I saw that there is a very friendly atmosphere after the theatre also. So I got an opportunity to talk to Pratik Gandhi and other stars also who were involved, not stars but other members.
Ask
So
me.
they were very friendly, but still I did not have guts to ask if I want to do with you guys. So
हाँ.
तो ये करने के लिए I did not know how to approach. तो अभी आप लोग ने बोला है तो next time we'll actually directly approach.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Please.
it is theatre communities everywhere are very close knit, very friendly, and very very open. They should be at least.
Yeah.
And from our experience, they have been.
They have.
So they announced the directors towards the end. We should directly go to speak to director के boss. Sir अब मुझे करना है, आप please मुझे कुछ भी करा लो. I just want to get it, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So this is
Like
very
for example, like if I want to direct a play and I go to the community and बोलेगा कि मेरे को direct करना है, तो they can't directly take me in कि अभी you don't have any experience and you know direction but you have no experience, so you can't get in.
Correct.
With direction, it's a different thing because direction is the director is the anchor of the whole thing. So you can have a really bad project because you have a really bad director. So with directors, they will always take time. They will definitely take you in, observe you, see what are your skill sets. If you have, see, there also needs to be a particular personality to be able to direct. Okay, I have seen a lot of people who have great ideas, but they can't make good
Execute
directors
it, yeah.
because they don't know how to execute. They don't know how to say quiet. Okay, listen to me. They don't know because they get very And I've also directed friends. I've directed my own husband. And at no point during that play could anybody say that Shalton and Sarah are married, right?
Okay.
I leave the wife and I walk in as a director. So there is, with direction, it is always you will have to have some sort of experience, something to show. But as an actor, writer is the best way to get into a theatre group. If you can say I'm a writer, they'll say send us your thing right now, because they're always looking for content.
Not that, अगर if you want to direct a show, ठीक है, और आपको you want to put it out in a public forum, तो do it.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Because all you have to do is get a bunch of actors who are enthusiastic, who can fulfill your vision, ठीक है? And if your vision is being fulfilled with your, और हम लोग जब start किए थे, हमने हमारे छत से start किया. तो शाम को सब लोग छत पे आते थे, वहाँ पे रिहर्सल्स चलते थे 3-4 घंटे के लिए. रिहर्सल के बाद सब लोग बैठते, चाय पीते, we chill, we talk. सब लोग घर जाते जाते 11 बज जाते थे, ठीक है? So that used to be the vibe, and it was great. So 3 महीनों के लिए ये constantly चलता रहा, और वो मतलब शो खत्म होने के बाद सब मतलब यार नेक्स्ट डे सब लोग पहुंच गए वापस. लाइक आज नहीं है, हो गया खत्म शो, जाओ. लाइक नहीं यार बहुत मिस हो रहा है हमको. So it's an experience that anyone should be a part of. But my point being, अगर आपको डायरेक्ट करना है आप कर सकते हो. Put it up, find a team, ठीक है? जैसे आपने अभी एक टीम बनाई हुई है. If you were in the same city, you could have, you know, like collaborated and put up your own show. So that is how we start.
You don't need a theatre group to back you up.
Back you up.
You can be your own theatre group.
Yeah.
Okay, last question on this theater thing right now, because इसके पीछे हम लोग और एक सेक्शन है जहाँ पे सिर्फ theater के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. Before we go forward, एक last question है. For example, if a team is ready with script and everything, so how does the team approach the theater owners or whoever operates, managers? ये कैसे approach करेंगे? And how does it work? ऐसे to start, for example, आपको लेके जाना है. मेरे पास स्टोरी है, एक्टर है, सब कुछ है. So I have to approach them. How does it work?
So generally it is as simple as getting on a call, getting a contact, setting up a coffee date at a cafe, meeting your whoever you have to meet, whoever is sent from their group. Sit down with them, have a discussion about your script. I always suggest not revealing your script, not sending it के desperation में भेज दिया, पूरा पढ़ लो, because that's what I believe in. But
हमेशा synopsis.
there's always a synopsis, there's always a storyboard. So you create that, and then always have a verbal conversation about your story.
So this is like very good insight. अब सरिता कुछ बोल रही है.
I had a question here. कि ma'am, like if the actors who want to act in theatre, like now Bhavi said कि if they have a story and they want to approach. So basically for this Bollywood and all जो acting होते हैं उसके auditions के updates आते हैं internet पे, like Instagram, Facebook, we get the updates there. If it like for theatres, then how do they contact? Do they get any updates on that platforms, or they have particular site for that?
Theatre is a very close-knit community. It is not as big as Bollywood. Even if you take all the theatre groups of India and put it together, it still won't make up for what Bollywood does, right? It's so big. So what I would suggest is on the same platforms, try to follow a few theatre groups whose work you like, okay? And they will always put out a casting call. Looking for a male, female, this age for this role, they'll always put out a casting call, and then it's a simple process. You just have to DM, get in touch, go for the audition.
So these groups you are trying to suggest is on Instagram, social media, or how does it work?
Yeah. Now every theatre
Every theatre group now is on Instagram, is on Facebook. सबका एक presence है.
तो मतलब जैसे कि ऑडिशंस के नॉर्मली जो कास्टिंग वाले हैं अपलोड करते हैं, ऐसे थिएटर ग्रुप भी पर्सनली करते हैं आप.
Yes.
परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड. सो ये बहुत इंटेंस डिस्कशन था और बहुत मजा आया. अब नेक्स्ट सेक्शन जब होगा, नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट जो आने वाला है वो है रैपिड फायर राउंड.
Okay.
सरिता पूछेगी आपको सवाल.
Okay,
ठीक है.
done.
सरिता, ओवर टू यू.
So this segment is rapid fire, where I will be asking you few questions and you have to answer. पर आपको बोलना नहीं है, आपको लिखकर बताना है.
अच्छा ठीक है. और मैं झाँक सकता हूँ कि नहीं झाँक सकता?
नहीं.
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 ठीक है.
तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, डरने की कोई बात नहीं है.
नहीं मैं नहीं डरती. चाय तो डर रहा है.
नहीं. I know.
एकदम ऐसा देखो, पास आके लिख रहे एकदम.
चीटिंग नहीं करना है.
आराम से धीरे से लिखने में.
तुम्हें करना है.
यस, दिस इज बेटर.
हाँ ऐसा, हाँ
सही है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
So the first question is, who is the better actor, Sara or Shelton?
बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हैं दोनों। ओह चलो
सही।
दोनों ने सेम आंसर लिखा है, correct।
Same answer.
Yeah.
मान जाते हैं फिलहाल के लिए, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट
And the next question is, who is dominating between the two?
घर घर की कहानी, टीवी का राज, पति बेचारा।
अरे
भावेश बहुत अच्छे जानता है कि भावेश क्या
भावेश पता है।
Okay, so the third question is, Sara as an actor or Sara as a director?
easy.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay. Great.
same answer.
So basically अभी तक सब सिंक में जा रहा है। Did you
हाँ।
guys notice? My
हाँ।
team,
हाँ.
ठीक है। Next,
Okay, and the question is, Shelton's favorite drink and Sara's favorite drink.
so you have to write your favorite drink and your partner's favorite drink.
Yes.
Oh.
Mine तो even you people know. He only doesn't know what his favorite drink is.
अरे I know.
You know? Okay, I'm writing.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि ट्यूशन में है, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, बहुत
Fine.
क्या?
That
Okay.
is yours. That is yours.
Okay.
But आपको दोनों का लिखना था।
हाँ.
अच्छा दोनों
अभी आपने मैडम ने तो पढ़ लिया।
मालूम है
अगर शाम का मैम आपका लिखेंगे.
रेड बुल
नहीं, but that is Red Bull we know, but we wanted to see whether Sara ma'am knows your or not.
हाँ.
I
she
don't
doesn't
know
know.
yours.
So now
नहीं मालूम
आपने पढ़ा? नहीं पढ़ा तो लिखो फिर।
So something was there है, भूल गए मैं.
माइनस पॉइंट्स है सारा मैम को मतलब।
हाँ.
अभी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं कि सच में है?
क्या पता।
ये भी समझ नहीं सकते अगर एक्टर्स को बुला दिया.
I don't know. I think I'm wrong.
You are absolutely wrong. Nowhere near the right
Coconut
answer.
water कौन?
I am
just
married.
because I am Mallu
यार आप
हम लोग कोकोनट वाटर पी के घूम रहे थे
What is yours?
मैं बोला बेलीज
तो शेल्टन नाउ यू टेक क्लास। अभी आपके पास पॉइंट है झगड़ने के लिए। आपको मेरा ड्रिंक नहीं पता था अभी तक।
It's okay.
इट्स फाइन
सारा मैम वो उनके लिए हम लोग पावर दे रहे थे। आप इट्स ओके मत बोलो यार, आपके ऑलरेडी पावर।
मेरे पास है, जब मैं देना चाहती हूँ मैं दे दूंगी.
यहाँ से आता पावर
Guys, this video is not sponsored.
हो गया रैपिड फायर
नो नेक्स्ट
अभी
क्वेश्चन।
बाकी है.
अच्छा
अभी ये सवाल है आपके लिए,
किसके लिए
दोनों
आपके
के लिए.
अच्छा आप दोनों के लिए ठीक है।
If you had to choose between theater, big screen and television, here is the scenario. Remember, you can choose only one. Whatever you choose, you will be successful. So what is your answer?
अच्छा डोंट शो। उसके बाद वी वांट यू टू प्रेडिक्ट आंसर फॉर योर पार्टनर आल्सो। दो आंसर होंगे मतलब, एक आपके लिए एक आपके पार्टनर के। रेडी?
ओ पार्टनर का भी लिखना है
पार्टनर का भी लिखना है नीचे।
I think it's
सेम लिख दीजिए अगर सेम लगता है.
एंड देन विल कंफर्म सही है गलत है क्या करते हैं। बट रिमेंबर जो भी फील्ड आप चूज करोगे उसमें आप सक्सेसफुल रहोगे। दैट इज योर पावर।
Are you sure you want to change?
मतलब सोच लो।
सोच लिया.
ठीक है
Really?
शो प्लीज। यस
Lock करें?
थिएटर सेम
Same. Partner.
थिएटर पार्टनर ठीक है। तो दे आर वेरी श्योर मतलब आपको फेम मिले कुछ भी मिले मैं थिएटर ही करूंगा। आई डोंट वांट।
हाँ तो वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर फेम
ओके
Okay.
So- I guess we had the next question which is answered already.
Okay.
Oh, अच्छा.
Okay.
Sorry.
Anyway,
तो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं या नहीं पूछूं?
पूछ लो.
पूछ लो, but वैसे I guess we have an answer already.
Okay. So what do you think your partner will choose? Money or fame?
Money. मैं लिख नहीं रही.
So you can buy Red Bull cans if you have money, okay?
Exactly.
Money.
Your partner, so for both the partners, I mean, सारा के लिए भी शेल्टन के लिए भी सारा मनी.
Money.
पैसा मांगता है, तो फिर तो यार थिएटर कैसे, फिर आप बॉलीवुड ही सोचोगे ना यार, तो फिर
लेकिन आपने कहा सक्सेसफुल ना, जो भी चूज करो.
सक्सेसफुल तो रहोगे, बट पैसा तो फिर बॉलीवुड में ज्यादा है ना, एज पर
पैसा कहीं और कर लेंगे.
अच्छा,
कर लेंगे.
ओके, सही है.
अभी है लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Give one word for your bond.
Partnership, bond, husband, wife, whatever, one word only.
दिखाओ, रिवील करो क्या?
कर लो.
या कर लो.
Wait. Romantic.
Unity.
This makes sense.
Same thing. Unity.
फेवी बॉन्ड, हाँ, एक ही बात है, फेवी बॉन्ड.
एक ही है.
So it was fun. So
Nice. Good. So much fun.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was so much
So we
fun.
actually we were expecting some weird answers, but आप लोग इतने सिंक में थे, हम लोग को लगा हम लोग गड़बड़ करते हैं. आप लोग को लग रहा है आप लोग प्लान करके आए हो.
ऐसा ही होता है.
अब 10 साल के लिए दो लोग साथ में रहते तो
ऐसा ही
हो
होता है.
जाता है.
नट बेलीज वाला नहीं पता था, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं होता है मैडम.
New thing happens about it.
Okay. So now this segment is done. We'll move on to next segment. Over to you, Suhas.
The first question is, which is better, English theater or the Indian theater?
There is actually no difference. English theater हो या Hindi theater हो, as long as it is a good play. Theater, the teachings of it must be different, ठीक है? But ultimately, the message, if it's delivered to the audience with justice, then that's a good play. पर मैंने बहुत सारे हिंदी प्लेस देखे हैं which have been mostly based on performance, beautiful performance, ठीक है? Strong performance, ठीक है? So there is no difference in Hindi or English, and I've seen some English plays which are great. I've seen a Korean play which was the best. We watched a Korean play which was the best. हमको
With subtitles.
समझ भी नहीं आई. नहीं,
No.
there is no subtitle.
There is. It's the play.
It's the live play.
Okay, not online. Okay. हाँ.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. The whole play we didn't understand a single word, but we got the story.
Yeah.
So it was amazing.
So where was it?
This was
2014, 2015, around
Where?
there.
As in Bangalore only.
Bangalore,
Bangalore.
there was a group that came from South Korea, और उनका जो प्रोडक्शन था उसका नाम था Wojak, और बहुत अच्छा,
one of the best.
one of the
The
best
best play.
plays that
I've
I
seen.
have seen in my life.
So I don't think Indian English really matters, but I have personally seen better stories with English plays.
Okay, great. So, like, if we move on to this era, which is 2020 and after like 2021, जो आगे के जो भी साल है, तो अभी बहुत शॉर्ट पे आ गए लोग. जैसे कि पहले मूवीज देखते थे, अभी फिर यूट्यूब पे आ गए, अभी यूट्यूब से फिर डायरेक्ट अभी स्पॉटिफाई पे पॉडकास्ट सुनना शुरू कर दिया लोगों ने. तो शॉर्ट टाइम हो रहा है, जो भी छोटे छोटे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ रहे हैं, ऐसे बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम हो रहा है. So, what do you think? Would people still watch stage shows in future?
as you rightly mentioned, it is a diminishing field, theatre. मगर the thing is, everyone now, जैसे सब कुछ छोटा होता जा रहा है, क्रिकेट भी अब छोटा हो गया, 20 ओवर 20 कर दिया है, तो because people don't have a very big span of attention, the span of attentions become very short, so now everything that they want it crunched down. मतलब हमको entertainment चाहिए instant, ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो इसीलिए now theaters also become short, ठीक है? तो हमारा जो last प्रोडक्शन था was called shorts, which was 10-minute plays, ठीक है? 10 मिनट के चार plays साथ में, so one story after another. So that was something that was new. अच्छा, oh okay, this is something that I want to watch. And then so I think you have to just adapt with time, be it whatever, आपको time के साथ adapt करना होगा and make it work.
I think answering your question, Suhas, would stage plays still be relevant? I think they would be, because currently also stage theatre is it's considered a niche community over here. So यहाँ पे the people who come to watch a play would be the page 3 and above. You know, people, students and all don't go watch plays. It will be all these people who will know each other. They will be meeting each other in different plays, you know. So I think there will always be a want to watch a stage play, and what will happen is, the smaller it gets, the more niche it will become. So your ticket will go from 100 rupees to 700 rupees. Okay, which is great for the theatre community, but yeah, I think it will still be relevant.
But sometimes you need an intelligent audience. So how do you handle that?
You can't. It's as simple.
They don't understand things, and
You can't. So
It's okay. Audience members जो सारे आते हैं, they come out of their own will. Now, as creators, there is a message that we want to give out to them. If they understand the message, great. If they didn't get it, और उनके सिर के ऊपर से चला गया, there is nothing we can do. We've already gained. इनके पैसे आ गए हैं हमारे अकाउंट में already. तो उसके बाद there's nothing that we can do. If you got something out of it, great. We appreciate. We love the fact that तुमको समझ आया. अगर नहीं समझ आया, then
while writing the play, आपको एक point पे समझ आ जाता है ना कि इंटेलिजेंट लोगों को ही समझ आएगा, या अब उसके लिए एक टाइप ऑफ ऑडियंस चाहिए हमें, तो लिखते वक्त आप कभी ऐसा सोचते हो, या यू गिव?
So generally I write. So when I write, at some point in my script, I think for the audience. Okay. And when I write, my initial thought is, okay, I want my audience to feel this. When they walk out of the show, they should be feeling this. So the Manson that I wrote, which is one of my own favorite work, I remember telling Shalton, when people walk out, they should be so, क्या कहते हैं, I can't use language, they should be so messed up in the head, no, that they need to like take a moment after that, because that entire play is about a serial killer. It's not about a serial killer, about a cult leader who committed so many crimes and was sitting behind bars for so many years. The way I put it across, I made the audience feel for this criminal. I made this audience say, nahi yaar, iske saath aisa nahi hona chahiye.
Without changing the facts.
Without changing any facts. Okay? And so at some point you will have to look at your audience. You will have to look at कि कितना सर के ऊपर जाएगा. And then you as a creator will have to take a call. Do I want to change for the audience, or do I not want to change? And this is what happens with most Bollywood movies. It is commercialized for the audience, for not so intelligent audience, which is something I would not do to my creation.
I have something to add on to this. Now, जब आप लिखते हो, so Sara ma'am has a way of writing. I have a way of writing, but it's similar in the sense of we don't think of अच्छा ये स्मार्ट ऑडियंस को समझ आएगी या डम ऑडियंस को समझ आएगी. मैं ऑडियंस एज अ जनरल It's basically the experience you want your audience to take away. ठीक है, तो अब ये इस पॉइंट पे मैं एक ट्विस्ट लाऊंगा, because I want my audience to have a certain reaction. Okay, so whenever you write, you always think of what the audience's reaction would be, and what you keep yourself in the audience's shoes. कि अगर मैं ये देखता, or if this happens, will that surprise me? If that surprises me, I will put it in. That's the process.
For example, there was the play Leviathan. When Shalton sir got the role for it, Shalton got the role for it. I remember he came home with the script and he wanted to do the read with me. Okay, and I consider myself a well-educated, well-spoken person. But when I read that script, I was like, what the hell is written? These are English words or what? I can't even pronounce it. Okay, what is it? He couldn't pronounce it. I couldn't pronounce it. It took him at least 1 week.
1 week to understand the script.
To understand the script. It was so, it was unrealistically intelligent. Okay?
Yeah.
And when I watched it, I swear to God, I still don't know half of the lines of Leviathan. I generally know lines. That is what sticks with me because I'm a writer. But with Leviathan, I didn't know what was happening to that play, dude. Okay, but I understood the whole story. So, as a writer, you might write intelligent content, but as a director, it is then your job to visually put it in such a way that even a non-intelligent person can understand it.
वेरी गुड. तो अभी मुझे आई वांटेड टू आस्क, आप ये जो प्ले बोल रहे थे मैनसन और लेवाइथन, ये आप लोग वापस करने वाले हो या करते हो, रिपीटेटिव होता है, हाउ डज इट वर्क?
Yeah, so from after I think we put it up from it's been 3-4 years since we put up Manson, and in the last 4 years we have gotten emails, messages, people telling us we came for your play, please put it up again. तो मेरा क्या होता है ना, मन उठ जाता है. Like it is me who has to direct again. So I was like, कर लिया ना. Now what is next? What is new?
Yeah.
So I am somebody who gets easily bored or easily like एक कर लिया, झंडा गाड़ दिया, okay next. Now we'll do next.
You all don't do repetitive.
So no, but no, I've not yet done. I've not yet.
हम लोग को मैनसन देखना होगा तो कैसे देखेंगे?
Exactly. तो वही तो problem है अभी. I think we may repeat Manson. I think.
There's a very big break ना अभी. COVID आ गया तो your theaters are closed.
Right.
So theaters have started in Bangalore again yet?
नहीं,
मुंबई में शुरू हो गया अभी recently तो.
नहीं, यहाँ पे अभी भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. यहाँ पे अभी भी लोग Zoom shows कर रहे हैं. So there's that's happening, but theaters haven't opened up.
So I would like to ask a question. What is the last thing you do before the curtain opens?
Let him do first. Let him say first.
So before the curtain opens, your उससे पहले का जो when you are backstage, it starts from there. It starts from when you are backstage, when you know there are around 200 to 300 people outside sitting there waiting for you to come out and act. Okay, that's a lot of pressure initially, but once you've done it quite a few times, you forget about that. Then it's about getting into character, breathing, visualizing. ठीक है कि सीन ये है, I am right now in this state. ठीक है, और I am going on stage after experiencing this. So whatever it is I am experiencing on stage, that I'm experiencing off stage, and I take that onto the stage, and that is the process. Before the curtain opens, I'm already in character.
And that is from an actor's perspective. Most of the time Shalton also actually just walks away. Shalton is missing just before the curtain call. I have been the director, and I've been looking and screaming for Shalton, and he's just gone missing. He has gone into one changing room, locked himself in the bathroom. Okay, 15 minutes before the play, and unwilling to come out. He said, "Don't knock. The minute curtain opens, I'll be there. Just don't disturb me." So he has his own process. Most of the actors, they come around, they do grounding work, they visualize, they breathe to calm themselves down. But as a director, before the thing, I go up to the actors, I make sure everybody's okay, they are fine, and I'm a nervous wreck. I'm a nervous wreck. I'm screaming, shouting, "Ye kahan hai, wo kahan hai?" That is happening with me. But for an actor, the prep before getting on stage is very, very different than for a director.
Yes. Matlab, like just before entering, if you asked me the same question, I'd be like, Jai Mata Di. Bhagwan bata lena is baar mein. So yeah, this was a very fun segment. I got to learn many things. So moving on to the next segment.
तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, छोटे मोटे बहुत फेमस डायलॉग्स हैं, वो आपको बोलने हैं, ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए आप लोग के लिए. तो शेल्टन, फर्स्ट इज फॉर यू.
Okay.
द डायलॉग गोज लाइक दिस. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप, नाम है शिंदे.
ठीक है. बस लाइन बोलना.
बस इतना बोलना है.
Dialogue delivery.
अच्छा. अपने स्टाइल में क्या अमिताभ बच्चन की अनुसार?
Oh, your style.
My
नहीं, दोनों करेंगे. पहले अमिताभ बच्चन की और बाद में अपने स्टाइल.
अब खड़े होना पड़ेगा ना अमिताभ बच्चन की.
Whatever you like, जो भी.
Whatever.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Now आप अपने स्टाइल में कैसे करने वाले थे वो जानना था.
अच्छा, अपने स्टाइल में करो. अच्छा. रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, ठीक है. नाम सुन लीजिएगा, नाम है शहंशाह.
सुहास, मजा आया क्या?
This was like the Mallu guy.
Exactly.
But मेरे को ना ये डायलॉग थोड़ा हकलाते हुए सुनाइए.
हकलाते हुए, ठीक है. ओके. हकलाना है. तो रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Very nice, very nice. It was amazing.
Okay.
Good job.
So now next is for Sara. Again, it's a very simple dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. So this is first with the original feel, then your feel.
Okay, sorry.
Look at me.
Okay.
Okay, give me.
एक मिनट रुको. No. He's not your सिंदूर. स्क्रीन है तुम्हारा.
He's
No, he's not.
स्क्रीन है तुम्हारे सिंदूर. Please. Yeah. You are talking to the camera. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश.
Wow. Lovely.
Okay, now I have to do it my style, no?
Yeah, your style.
So proud.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. Guys, give me an English dialogue, yeah, please.
नहीं, why not do it?
I
This
didn't
is,
know.
this is the reason we have given you Hindi dialogue.
अच्छा, okay. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Wow. अभी हंसते हंसते करके दिखाओ.
एकदम laughter.
एकदम हंस के.
Okay. Shy laughter or
हंस के loud, weird, एकदम loud.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Shelton sir, you approve of this? मतलब tag?
हाँ?
You
Very
approach
nice,
the
very
snack.
nice.
Nice. You were also nice.
अरे I forgot to मतलब ये पूछना नहीं चाहिए था, वो तो हाँ ही बोलेंगे ना, मतलब पाव
हाँ।
मिलेगा फिर
डिनर कैसे मिले?
dinner नहीं मिलेगा वरना.
Dinner
So
with-
next dialogue is back to Shelton,
Hmm,
and this is मेरे पास माँ है.
मेरे पास माँ.
That's it. In first the original style and then your style,
Original style.
हाँ.
if you remember.
मेरे पास माँ है.
Wow.
That's
Yes, that's it. That's very close to it.
okay.
And then what would you do? Your
Yes,
style.
मेरे पास माँ है.
दुखी हो गए बोलो चलो.
हाँ?
एकदम दुखी. माँ है वो दुख है तुमको. माँ है मेरे पास.
मेरे पास माँ है.
ये दुखी था.
वो दुखी और दुखी.
दुखी तो नहीं लगा. डायरेक्टर मैडम दुखी था क्या ये?
अच्छा. मेरी Stop it. Okay.
We are not going to cut this one. We are going to display this. ये हंसना वाला आपका.
मेरे पास माँ है. उससे ज्यादा रोना मैं नहीं रो सकता.
Director madam, first you give approval, yes or not?
Okay.
Lenient हो गया मतलब ये तो मतलब. चलो
Can
ठीक.
do better. Can do better.
ठीक है.
Yeah. You need to get into character.
आप अभी क्लास कराना बाद में उनके बाद में
हाँ.
डायलॉग के लिए स्पेसिफिकली. So now सारा आपके लिए. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता है साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
इजी तो है. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता.
साहब है लेकिन
हाँ, वही.
इम्पोर्टेंट है. साहब इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
डर नहीं लगता.
ऊपर से डर नहीं लगता. प्यार से
गुड जॉब. वेल डन.
Thank you.
अब इसको मतलब ये तो अच्छा कर लिया लेकिन इसमें मजा नहीं आया. फिर अभी इसको क्या करें? सरिता क्या बोलते हो?
Add on.
अभी इसमें कुछ ऐड ऑन करने के लिए कोई इमोशन ऐड करके ये करते हैं ना.
एंगर.
सीरियस वाला था
एंगर डाल देते हैं. एंगर
Anger.
एकदम.
एकदम.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
सही है.
ऑस्कर.
नाम का रूप.
हम लोग डर गए भाई. So back to Shelton.
यस.
दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू. अच्छा. दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
और अभी इसको है ना रोते हुए बोलना.
अच्छा, रोते हुए. अरे, दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
ओके. याद है आपने.
ये रोना है यार.
In 10 years, side note, in 10 years of our relationship, I don't think I have seen Shelton cry ever.
So next आपके पास बहुत सारे हम लोग ने हिंदी में कराया है सारा आपसे. तो इस बार आपके चॉइस का कोई इंग्लिश डायलॉग. Any dialogue of your choice, English. Because we did not want to rag you throughout. तो हम लोग अभी आपका जो
Ready? I have the dialogue. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. वो था dialogue, guys.
उतना ही था।
ये तो छोटा सा बना दिया यार हम लोग ने डिफिकल्ट सोचा था तो बोलेंगे कुछ बड़ा डायलॉग आप
वो बड़ा
अच्छा
चाहिए.
मोनोलॉग
Okay.
चाहिए तुम
लोग कुछ बड़ा करे मतलब स्ट्रेंथ है तो
Okay.
नहीं बड़ा नहीं उतना भी बड़ा
थोड़ा बड़ा करे.
थोड़ा बड़ा
वरना थिएटर दिखा देंगे तो हम लोग को.
You cannot refuse. सुना है
नहीं.
किसी ने मूवी देखी है नहीं देखी
Okay.
Then
$1 million isn't cool. You know what's cool? $1 billion.
एक
Yes.
के बाद एक करेंगे. ये अंदाज अपना मूवी का है कुछ गेस है क्या? Have you seen this movie guys?
अंदाज अपना vaguely remember
Amir Khan and Salman
Salman
Khan.
हाँ vaguely
So very simple dialogue.
हम्म।
तेजा मैं हूँ दाग इधर है.
Teja.
तेजा मैं हूँ मार किधर है.
That's for him.
For both of you one after another. तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर है.
तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर अच्छा तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर
So basically
Thanks.
so I'll give you a scenario क्या था.
अच्छा
तेजा मतलब this is a ये परेश रावल जी ने प्ले किया था
अच्छा
तो डबल रोल था.
हाँ
So now to differentiate between the two, the villain तेजा मार्क लगाता है ऐसा दिखा रहे थे. मतलब स्टोरी पूरा नहीं है अलग स्टोरी है बट so to differentiate between the two ये मार्क वाला डायलॉग था पूरा गैंग.
ओके हाँ
So
Okay.
please तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर है.
अच्छा ठीक है तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर है मूवी मेरे में ही दिखा रहा हूँ
Obviously, because you are talking to your gang. कि मैं तेजा हूँ तेजा नहीं है something like this. कि I am the real तेजा. ना आपके लिए रुके थे ना हम लोग.
ओ मेरे लिए रुके
हाँ.
अच्छा
You are going first, yeah.
ओके तेजा मैं हूँ मार्क इधर
Director. Okay, now your turn. Your turn.
तेजा मैं हूँ. मार किधर है?
किधर है दिखा नहीं
दिखाओ. डाल के आती हूँ.
So this was an amazing segment. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we had so much fun.
So,
Put on the
it was
spot.
fun for us and for I hope the audience also loves it. I'm sure audience will love it. So thank you very much for being so sporting. We hope you have enjoyed it so far. And
Yes,
Yeah, we loved
it's
it.
been
It was.
amazing.
it was really amazing to have you guys. To be honest, thank you very much for agreeing to do this thing with us. You all are the first who have agreed, and so we have no words to express gratitude. कि कितना अच्छा लगा हम लोग को कि आप लोग आए करके. So we had blast. ऐसे हम लोग के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा experience था, learning experience था. I hope you guys also enjoyed it.
And
Yes.
I hope we were good guests.
Yeah,
And
I hope you will.
TRP बढ़े. मैं दे दूँ वो क्लिप आर्ट में डाल देना.
अच्छा, before
Wife slaps husband.
हाँ ये इसे थंबनेल पे डालेंगे
no. So I was going to say that before we move ahead, as in we are ending it right now. But जाने के पहले so everyone, at least I feel that सबके पास एक कोट होता है, लाइफ कोट जो बहुत important होता है सबके लिए. तो वैसा कोई कोट आपके लिए सारा और शिल्टन?
Yeah, I have a quote that I have, I think, heard it long back in my life when I was about 17, 18. And I've lived my life by it. It is the quote by a philosopher, a Chinese philosopher, who said, to know others is knowledge, to know yourself is wisdom. And that is just something I live by. That's my favorite quote in life.
There is no quote that I follow as such, but if there is something that like I want to share, that would be just find happiness in life. That's it. It's simple as that. Find happiness in life in whatever you do. I think the key is to find happiness, and if
Pursuit
you
of
manage
happiness.
pursuit of happiness, right?
So we should like mention now, Find Happiness by Shelton. ऐसा?
Yeah.
Yes.
Original. सुभाष प्लीज नोट डाउन, हम लोग डाल देंगे वो इंस्पिरेशन कोट्स में,
Yeah.
एक कोड लगाएंगे,
में डाल देना
Find Happiness Shelton.
by Shelton Charles.
Your name is longer than the
Yeah.
तो अच्छा नाउ ये दिस इज रियली गुड एक्चुअली, दोनों कोट्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस. आई एम श्योर इट इज गोइंग टू इंस्पायर पीपल हु आर वाचिंग, हु विल बी वाचिंग अस. एंड अभी और एक बात थी कि देखो आप लोग ने किया, स्ट्रगल किया लाइफ में, so how to keep going, because theater is difficult, as you said, money etc is difficult to come, money flow is difficult, and being an artist it is difficult to survive also at times. For example, abhi covid ho gaya, so it is at bad time, right? So we as fans bol lo ya audience bol lo, we want to know कि how to keep going for your goals. मतलब कैसे distract नहीं होना, इतना difficulties के बाद आदमी बॉग डाउन हो जाता है, मतलब डिप्रेशन में आ जाता है, एंड हाउ टू गेट ओवर इट. तो एनी स्पेसिफिक मैसेज फॉर द ऑडियंस कि कैसे फाइट करना है, हाउ टू कीप गोइंग, मतलब कितना भी डिफिकल्टीज आ जाए.
तो yes, it was difficult. Lockdown was difficult क्योंकि मेरे सारे क्लासेस रुक गए, और that is the only source of money that I earn, right? My only source of income. तो वो जब रुक जाती है because of an external factor, not because of my shortcomings, not because मैं professional नहीं था, because of an external factor, that hurts, okay? And you try to do it online और काम नहीं करती, and फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे parents like I'm talking about my personal experience here, and parents slowly start backing out from having 20 students in a class. You then have 8 students, so that becomes a very bad hit scenario. And that is understandable also क्योंकि schools ने जो अपना मॉड्यूल है सब ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट कर दिया. अब बच्चे क्लासेस सुबह से शाम क्लासेस में बैठे, उसके बाद आके फिर से ऑनलाइन मेरे साथ सेशन लेंगे, तो that's not something that parents are okay with. They want to take them away from the computer, but now the times are such कि बच्चे अभी कंप्यूटर के सामने ही बैठे, which is not good for their health, right? So that is also understandable. Or what I did was then I stopped it completely, and then I thought कि मतलब now let's see, मतलब let's try something new, and new try करते 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 I stumbled upon Drizzle, and which came in at a good time, at a time where everything had gone online. So that works for me. But ultimately answering your question, it is a hard profession to be in. But yeah, there are moments जहाँ पे आपको depressed feel होंगे and you'll feel low. But you have to keep going. Ultimately, you have to find a way out of a pit that you're fallen down in, and crawl your way up. And if you have a partner who supports you through it, that's something that is a bonus. So I was lucky in that sense कि I have a partner who's supportive of whatever I do, and that's worked for me. But will it work for everyone? I don't know. Is this everyone's cup of tea? I don't know. Only if you have the passion for it, only if you want to, if you are okay with the minimalistic things in life, okay, and you don't care about fame or money or anything, then go for this. Then you'll find happiness here. As I said, it's about finding happiness. क्योंकि मैंने भी जॉब की है, मैंने भी I worked for a bank. If you guys don't know this, I worked for HSBC for over 2.5 years, and theater was just a side gig. काम के बाद मैं stand up के लिए कभी कभी जाता था, ओपन माइक से ले जाता था, बट दैट वाज टू स्टे इन टच विद माय आर्ट फॉर्म टू बी ऑन स्टेज, बट आई कुडंट डू दैट फॉर मोर देन 2.5 years. किसी की मतलब I didn't want to be a slave to a corporate life, and that really sucks because you only have 2 days in a whole week to then relax, and in that time also all you've exhausted your whole energy in doing something throughout the week कि मतलब ये 2 दिन में तो मुझे relax करना है. But now I can be productive, I can constantly be creative, be productive, I can do so much more than I could have done then. So I'm happy in this field, and इसके अलावा और कुछ मेरे को आता नहीं है लाइफ में, तो that's why this works for me.
Fantastic. So basically, it's your willingness to fight. So here is one more thing. अभी क्या होता है कि for example, I'm not sure whether you have faced it or not, but there are people who are aspiring actors. So they don't have to fight with their inner demons only. They have to fight with the outer people also. For example, अभी someone is doing corporate job जैसे आपने बोला, और उसको करना है, he's frustrated, मतलब मुझे नहीं करना है, I just want to leave this and I want to start pursuing my passion, that is acting, for example, right now. And he starts doing it, and then people starts overpowering him because वो लोग सब लोग ने एक achievement कर दिया है corporate level पे पैसे कमा, तो they start judging you and they start speaking things which you don't want to hear. So उसको कैसे fight करेगा? आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि किसी लोगों ने जज किया है आपको, और तो उसको आप कैसे fight कर सकते हो?
नहीं, judgments तो होते हैं as soon as you tell के मतलब आप क्या करते हो, मतलब मेरे ही फैमिली में लोगों ने पूछा कि मतलब what is your profession like, तो मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग सिखाता हूँ, लाइक अच्छा मतलब ओके ठीक है, मतलब ज़्यादा कुछ कहने को होता नहीं है. फिर मैं बोलने लगा नहीं मैं थिएटर करता हूँ, ठीक है, तो अगर लोगों को समझ नहीं आया तो वो आगे पूछेंगे नहीं कि मतलब क्या है, ठीक है, तो थिएटर मतलब, तो अब लोग पूछ रहे थिएटर, अच्छा थिएटर मतलब क्या, तुम टिकट बेचते हो, काउंटर पे रहते हो कि क्या तुम पॉपकॉर्न बेचते हो, क्या करते हो, तो नहीं ये अलग ही सीन है. तो अब और मतलब you can't stop people from saying whatever they want to because they don't have a knowledge about a field.
Sorry to interrupt. So that is what you have experienced. Now you are a theater artist already. Now you developed all these things. So now you are okay with it. I am talking about the people who have just started. When you just started doing it from after the job, then the questions would be more pinching than it is right now, right?
Correct.
अच्छा नौकरी था यार क्यों छोड़ दिया?
So you need,
what are you doing?
yes, all of that I did face, but that didn't faze me as much. ठीक है, पर I understand क्योंकि लोग होंगे जो ये सब छोड़ छाड़ के they are going to be aspiring actors. Realistically, to leave everything and go after something, you need to be that passionate. Okay, you need to be that into. आपको एटलीस्ट एक दिन में 3-4 ऑडिशंस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस देने पड़ेंगे, साइमल्टेनियसली आपको प्लेस करने होंगे. यू हैव टू स्टे एक्टिव विद योर क्राफ्ट. इफ यू जस्ट कि मैं छोड़ दिया अब मैं एक्टर बनने वाला हूँ और बस बैठ जाते हो, ठीक है, दैट वोंट वर्क. यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर फुट कॉन्स्टेंटली, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज गुड बिकॉज it doesn't pay you, theater doesn't pay you, right? Until and unless अगर आप एक paid project भी कर रहे हो, एक जहाँ पे you are getting paid to act here, even then you're not getting paid much. Okay, it won't like it's not like a salary. तुमको 10,000 मिल जाएंगे for a job which you stayed in for 3 months.
अच्छा
3 महीनों के लिए रिहर्सल के लिए गया हूँ, फिर शो किया, शो के एंड में जाके पूछते हो कि भाई पैसे अभी तक आया नहीं है, तो नहीं आ जाएंगे अभी शो हुआ है, अभी टिकट वो सब काउंटिंग वाउंटिंग, फिर उसके बाद सेटलमेंट करने के बाद सारे एक्टर्स को पे करेंगे. फिर you sometimes you have to keep running behind them to pay you. ठीक है, तो there are a lot of problems that you'll have to face within this field, but only if you have the willingness to face it, then get into it. or else have something on the side. आपको साइड में एक कुछ होना चाहिए, और you should start this as a side gig. When you start getting regular projects, तब आप full shift कर सकते हो. But until then, it's always good to have something on the side, like a stable thing, जहाँ पे आप insecure ना feel कर पाओ, and you can do this on the side.
Nice. So very good insight again. सुहास, ये चीज सुहास और हम लोग भी डिस्कशन करते हैं apart from this, so it was a very good insight, and that's it. It was fun. It was amazing, and we got a little emotional to know about this struggle also, and it's amazing. So thank you very much once again.
Thank you, guys.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us on your show. It was a lot of fun. A celebrity वाला feel आया.
हाँ.
वैसे तो है नहीं, पर लगा.
Y'all are stars. Maybe not celebrities, but y'all are stars. So that's the reason.
Thank you,
So
thank you.
sweet,
That's
so
sweet.
sweet.
Yeah.
I would like to add something to what Shalton said. I was just waiting for you to finish. Is one thing is, guys, don't ever make it about money. If your aim and your goal is money, you are going to be sad. You're going to be disappointed, hurt, and you're going to feel like a failure. Because, like he said, this pays you nothing. Okay? So don't make it about money. Go for it in terms of, actually, I would say even maybe not passion, because a lot of people, when you're depressed and you reach a point where you're feeling like so small, passion उस वक्त नहीं kick in होता है, you know. At that point, you're like, छोड़ो यार, why did I do this? You question yourself. Okay. Always look at it as an opportunity to learn and to experience something, to fill your own glass, to fill your own bag. Okay. So at the end of it, you say, ye kiya, ye kiya, ye kiya, ye kiya, ye kiya, ye kiya, you know. And being somebody who started working and earning at 16, 17, I realized money is something you should never attach your happiness to. It comes, it goes. Okay, how fast it comes, that's how fast it goes. And that is just the story of life. But that doesn't mean आप हाथ पे बैठ जाओ और कुछ ना करो. एक corporate job में जाओ which pays you maybe 60, 70, 80, a lakh a month, and that will still feel less. Okay, so always think of it as, what have I done for myself to grow, to experience, to get exposure. And the minute you ask yourself that question, no, tomorrow you'll start singing, you'll try to play the guitar, you'll do everything. Maybe you'll suck at it, maybe you'll be amazing at it, but at least you've tried. Okay, so always never ever let that go. Never let the will of wanting to learn go from you. Then you'll be peace whatever you do.
And if you are that passionate about whatever you want to do, okay, you will make avenues for yourself. ठीक है, आपको कहीं जाके खटखटाना नहीं पड़ेगा, आप खुद के क्रिएटर बन गए. ठीक है, now you have the means for it. You can make your own movies, you can now make your own stuff. Now it's about running your own brain and picking in your creativity. So that is something that you should take away from this. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
This was amazing.
Yes.
So before we end the show, we'll take a screenshot.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, 1
Okay.
minute.
मैडम को तैयार होने दो. Okay.
Suhas, you are taking a screenshot, na?
Yes.
सुहास, ये क्या स्माइल है? ये क्या स्माइल है?
कर लो अभी
वो
स्क्रीनशॉट.
क्या स्माइल था?
वो मैंशन वाला पोज देना सर एक बार.
हाँ, man.
हम लोग सब लोग ट्राई करें क्या?
हाँ,
हाँ,
try
सब
करो.
लोग ट्राई करो.
कैसे एक बार बताना चलते सर.
I can't do it. क्या मुंह खुलता है? पागल.
Yes.
The girls are just like, guys, we cannot do that.